This is Mike Peterson in the KMA newsroom with a special report on severe weather activity hitting KMAland Friday afternoon and evening. It's been a long day here at KMA as we've been tracking all the severe weather that occurred across the region. And as expected, severe weather swept through a large portion of KMAland this afternoon and evening and packed quite a wallop. In fact, a very powerful punch. Now, strong storm cells popped up all over the region, leaving widespread damage in their wake. Brendan Dara is a meteorologist for the National Weather Service's Valley, Nebraska office. We had a chance to talk to him late Friday evening. He told us 8 hours of continuous warnings for their office began with a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Jefferson County. This was at around 1 o'clock Friday afternoon, and then one by one warnings were issued for severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. Dara says an unprecedented warning was issued at 3:30 Friday afternoon. The Weather Service offices in Valley, Nebraska issued its first ever tornado emergency as a large twister moved through Elkhorn, Nebraska.
For those who don't know, we kind of have a 3-tier system for tornado warnings. There's the general base tornado warning, and that's covered by, just radar indicated or it's confirmed, but, we don't really have a good handle on its strength. Then there's a considerable tag, so we have a confirmed large tornado onto the ground, a very healthy radar signature with, ground confirmation. And then there are, for very select cases, we do issue tornado emergencies with a catastrophic tag. So that's what we issued for the Elkhorn tornado, and that was long track, went all the way up into Harrison County, Iowa.
Now, confirmed tornadoes were also reported in Richardson and Nemaha counties, as well as in Bennington, Nebraska, and Omaha-Epley Airfield. Another large tornado prompted a dire warning in Shelby County.
We had a fourth long-track tornado, ultimately bringing our second tornado emergency that we've ever issued for Harlan for Shelby County, and that was around 6 o'clock p.m. So then we saw that storm run off to the northeast, and then we still kind of flirted with some severe thunderstorms and some spin-up tornadoes after 7 o'clock.
Now, heavy damage is also reported in parts of Pottawatomie County, including Minden, which reportedly was hit hard by the tornado, as well as Neola. Now, tornadic activity was also reported in Mills County late Friday afternoon. Mills County Emergency Management Coordinator Travis Hitchcock says spotters reported a twister as it entered the county.
It was first reported, into the 911 center here that someone had observed a tornado touchdown, and shortly thereafter, a trooper with the Iowa State Patrol had stated basically the same thing, on the radio, that they had confirmed, through sight, they could see it, that the tornado was on the ground right in the area of I-29 and Highway 34. That's kind of the path it took, northeast.
Hitchcock says the twister left a path of damage in north-northeast direction. Among the properties hit was the Mills County Conservation Building, which suffered some significant damage. Hitchcock also reported considerable tree damage in Mills County as well. Civil defense sirens also sounded in Page County, mainly in the southeastern portion of the county late Friday afternoon due to a tornado warning. Page County Emergency Management Coordinator Jill Harvey told us that a lightning strike apparently caught a house in Coyne on fire. It was an empty house and the fire was quickly extinguished. Downed power poles and power outages were also reported in Clarinda. Now, Harvey says compared to other areas, Page County got off rather easily.
We were very lucky, and what we did have, it spun up pretty quickly and out of nowhere. So that's why when you're told to be prepared, there is a reason. It may not hit every time, but when it does, you want to be ready.
We also had tornadoes reported in Nottoway, Taylor, Union, and Ringgold counties. We'll get more information on those storms throughout the weekend. And local emergency managers, as well as the Weather Service officials, are stressing that more severe weather is possible Saturday afternoon and evening, as well as Sunday afternoon and evening. So keep it to KMA News and KMAland.com. We'll keep you informed throughout the weekend as the situation warrants. But for right now, It's been a long day in KMA land. This has been a special report from KMA News. I'm Mike Peterson.